Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Alan Zanakis, MD.
And Audra Smith, RN.
Happy to bring you DocX MD and Audra RN's Funny Feelings. Answers to pressing puzzlers and biases regarding everyday mind and body sensations
About why we do what we do,
that we all experience.
but don't fully understand.
Selection bias and COVID-19 statistics. That's today on DocX MD and Audra RN's Funny Feelings.
Doc, folks sure find comfort when things are explained with simple numbers. The process seems to provide a sense of trust.
Odd, certainly complex numbers leave us with math anxiety, but rationalizing that simple numbers always accurately frame reality, well, it's a position we just have to adjust. Called selection bias, we tend to make decisions from numbers that aren't representative of the risks of a population we're considering, driving conclusions that are factually flawed. Selection bias commonly occurs because our brain seeks simple solutions to unknowns.
Unknowns that make us anxious, stressed, or otherwise awkwardly odd.
When it comes to assessing risk and outcomes from pandemic contagions like SARS coronavirus 2, quick fix numbers can fool us into generalizing statistical results that are very deceiving.
So that's why, Doc, understanding the terms prevalence and incidence when evaluating the true impact of COVID-19 can be somewhat relieving.
The prevalence of COVID-19 is the fraction of folks who have the disease against the entire population that do not. The media all too often demonstrates selection bias by confusing prevalence with incidence, a statistical term which doesn't look at an entire population,
But rather at the rate of folks developing COVID-19 during a certain time slot.
when it comes to selection bias. Unless everyone is tested for their COVID-19 state, we really won't know its prevalence or true mortality rate. It's a funny feeling to know. Using incidence as a simple number to tell a complete story.
Is a statistical flaw nurturing fear and stress that's unnecessarily gory.
I'm Dr. Alan Zanakis, MD.
And Audra Smith, RN.
It's a pleasure to bring you DocX MD and Audra RN's Funny Feelings. Answers to pressing puzzlers and biases regarding everyday mind and body sensations
About why we do what we do,
that we all experience.
but don't fully understand.